Should I keep using my furnace if it smells strange? No, turn it off, leave the area if you smell gas or smoke, and have it checked by a qualified heating professional before using it again. A strange smell can mean something harmless, such as dust burning off when the furnace starts for the first time in months. That smell should fade fairly quickly, but a strong, continuing, or worsening odor needs attention. A rotten egg smell may mean a natural gas leak because suppliers add a strong-smelling chemical to the gas. If you notice that smell, do not turn lights or appliances on or off, do not use a phone inside, and do not try to find the leak. Leave immediately, then call your gas company or emergency services from a safe location. A sharp burning plastic smell can point to an overheated wire, motor, or electrical part, so shut the furnace off if you can do so safely and arrange urgent service. A musty smell may come from a dirty filter, damp area, or mold, while a sooty smell may signal poor combustion or a blocked exhaust. Have carbon monoxide detectors on every level and near sleeping areas, because carbon monoxide has no smell and can make people sick or cause death. One common mistake is assuming every unusual odor is just dusty air, so wait only a short time for a mild first-use smell to disappear and stop the furnace if it remains. Another mistake is relighting or repairing a furnace after smelling gas, so leave the building and call for professional help instead. Some people also think a carbon monoxide detector can replace furnace maintenance, but detectors are a backup, so change their batteries as directed and schedule regular inspections. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, JobIt Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.